Hey mom, welcome back. It's long overdue, but I wash my hair at night. It's not the best thing to do because I have locks and they need to dry. But I have a stand hair dryer, so my hair will be fully dry before I go to bed because if you go to bed with your locks damp, not fully dry, it causes like mildew, mold, and stuff to build up. It makes you sick. I like to do it in my downstairs bathroom because I like to hang. I have this three panel mirror that's going to allow me to see all sides of my head. One, two, three, sides and back. And I have to do my hair at night because I have no time in the day. This is my hair. Okay, this is the back of my hair. I'm doing this row. I basically retwist it clockwise, and we're about halfway done. Let me fix this one right here. Good, yeah. I'm not gonna do a style this time because I did a style when I retwisted last. I'm just gonna let it be down. So it's so hard to do your own hair, but it has to get done because it's been 8 weeks and I have not retwisted my hair. So let me show you guys how I do this row. And my mirror's broke. Oh my goodness. So first, spray water. I'm gonna spray it off camera because I don't want it to go on my mirror. Because I like my mirror to be like super clean. I mean, it's not super clean now because of handprints, but yeah, I don't want to splatter on my mirror. So I spray the water on where I think the path is because I can't see it, but I can feel it. So I spray the water. And then, like for me, the key to like help my locks not thin at the root is I use the comb like this and I kind of separate it. That's how, instead of just patting and putting like gel on my scalp, because my scalp is super sensitive, I will pat when I need to, but I try to just like naturally, wherever the hair fall, that's where um that's where I let the hair stay. Um, I'm gonna do this one. I don't know if you guys can see. I have to turn like this. Um, okay. Same thing in the middle. I separate like that as best as I could, and then I try to, and then I try. Okay. Tug. No tugging. Okay. There we are. I'm gonna take a clip. You guys can see this. So this is one I'm using right now. So then I'm gonna take a clip and clip these sets apart, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I do the retwist on this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. Okay. So clip those away, and it's not too much. That's out the lock. So I'm gonna do a little crocheting. This is my crochet needle. It's a 0.75 mm. Yeah, my crochet needle did it up. It's a 0.75 mm. I basically don't know how to crochet for real, like self-taught. So what I just do is I just basically like, okay, so I don't know how to crochet. I've never took a course on crocheting. I'm like self-taught from YouTube videos. So let's pretend like this is my lock, and this is how I crochet basically. So I push it through the lock, grab some of the hair like this, and then I come to the middle, and I push it up, back out, grab some other hair, and I push it in the middle, and I keep on doing that, and I just keep on going to the middle, 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 keep on going to the middle. I do that a few times until I feel like it's secure. So see how it looks like instead of being fluffy, and it's all in there. And I don't like to crochet to my root because I think that kind of makes your lock thin. So I will crochet just like the little loose ends to help the hair grow in the lock. And then I'm gonna put some gel on here, and then I'm gonna retwist it. So give me a second. Okay, so we're on this one. I've already put the gel on it, making sure all the hair. And my locks, when I started them, they weren't like perfectly grid. They were kind of like some were freestyle, some were grid. Like, so the shapes look weird, and that's how they were started. And so yeah, after you crochet, so then you turn it, and then you turn it like that. And you take the comb out, and then you basically lock that part right here. Basically locksmith it. And when I locksmith it, I like to carry it up to the base, just so it strengthens my lock. And I'm using clips. You could just like turn it and really do like that, and it'll stay. But I'm using clips, so I'm gonna clip it. And yeah, that's how I do my retwist. And I'm halfway done, so I'll be back when I'm finished or to the top, because I have to add some hair back with crocheting because I am about 18 months postpartum and I lost a lot of hair in the front. So I'll show you guys how I fix that. Okay, so change of plans. My little one woke up. At this time, it's about like 4 in the morning. So she woke up because she realized I wasn't next to her. So I didn't have a chance to show y'all how I crochet the front. But I'm undone now. I'm about to go under the hair dryer so it can be fully dry before I go take a little mini nap, because now it's the next morning. For some reason, I don't know why my video was doing that flashing. I guess it's because of the hair dryer. I don't know what's going on with that. But I record on my phone for now. Eventually, I'm going to invest into a camera. So after spending 45 minutes under the blow dryer, this is my hair. I retwisted it. Like I said, I did no style. This is my second time doing my own retwist. I'm still new to it. And yeah, this is the next day. I'm gonna show you guys a closer look of my hair. I had recorded an audio on this, but my stage 17 clinger baby started screaming her head off because I was in the bathroom, so I cut the noise out. Yeah, she wasn't letting me be great, so I had to cut the noise out. But this is my hair. I'm about 2 years post-lock. I have been doing my self-maintenance. This is like the second time I did my own self-maintenance, but I like it. It came out really good. My hair looks really clean and neat now. Like, I love a fresh retwist, period. So this is the same day. We're heading to like the Peppa Pig playground. at this mall. Like, you know, we was doing a play date with my baby's friend. She came over, so we decided to take them out. And the Peppa Pig place wasn't open, so we decided to go to the arcade instead. I love going to the arcade. I didn't grow up going to the arcade, so I like to have fun going to the arcade. And my little one loves the arcade, okay? She likes to swipe her own card and play her own games. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.